Hi ladies and gentlemen, this is Tony Holowitz, and in this tutorial I want to show you how to quickly get back to your contact in Act or Handheld Contact API. So the record in Act that is yours, all your information is called the My Record. When you're working in Handheld Contact, you'll notice up in the top left-hand corner there's a little orange circle. Click on that and it quickly jumps back to all of your contact information. Now that we're here, the second thing I want to show you how to do while we're here is you'll notice to the right of the contact number there's three little dots. I'm going to click on that. And what this allows us to do is sort my contact list by a variety of items here. I can sort it by first name, last name, or company. Typically, I like to do it by company. So I'm going to click on that, and now you'll notice all the things on the left-hand side are sorted alphabetically by company name. Now you might come in and decide you want to change that. No big deal. Go up and click on that, and you might want to change it to last name. No big deal. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye now.